Welcome back to Jod's Shop.
This video will show us finishing the disassembly of the front of the truck. On the previous episode, we removed the hood, removed the bumper, removed the doors, and then we removed the outer fenders and grille as a total unit. On this episode, we'll remove the radiator support, remove the inner fenders, and then pressure wash the entire front engine area. To remove the inner fenders, there are only 2 bolts up front and 1 near the rear to take out on each side. Even though they're all easy to get to, sometimes they're stubborn, even after we pre-soak them.
What did you pre-soak them with?
PB Blaster! We did manage to shear one of the bolts on the passenger side. On the driver's side, there's a single bolt that holds the parking brake cable to the inner fender. On the passenger side, just attach the various electronics. Make sure you label the wires and take pictures. Once you have everything removed, the inner fenders will easily come off. The radiator support bolts required a breaker bar to get them loose. Once they were loose, they came out easily. Goodness gracious, it's a bolt. Once we removed the radiator support, we went ahead and put the bolts back. Before we pressure washed, we removed all the wiring from the starter. We also took plenty of pictures, so we hopefully can put the whole thing back together someday. We pressure washed all the items we removed along with the engine area. All the electronics were protected by plastic bags along with the carburetor and any other entry points to the engine itself. We had to break out the scraper at places to try to get some of the dirt off. This shows one area that was really caked. It looks much better now after we pressure washed and scraped it.
We saved some of the dirt as a memento since this came from my granddaddy's farm in Texas.
Here are a few photos showing the results of our cleaning. After the cleaning, we could almost make out the writing on the oil filter. On our next episodes, we'll start working on the engine. We'll need to evaluate what we think we need, order all the parts, wait around for the parts, finally install and try to accomplish a first start on that engine.
That's all, folks, and thanks for watching. There's more videos to come on the truck. Leave a comment if you want, and remember, it's free to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Hey, waiter, there's a fly in my water.